Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your heroes on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, click on the heroes option at the top in order to view all of the heroes. Now if you wish to customize any hero, go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the heroes page. You can view the stats of the hero within the left side, and you will find the customize button at the right. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see various different customizations that you can make for this hero. Simply hover over to each one in order to see how this customization will look. Some customizations will be unlocked as you play the game, and others will need to be purchased using your real-world currency. So just tap on the customization that you wish to purchase, and you will be taken into the payment page for the Steam application. From here, you can proceed forward with the payment method, and after finalizing your payment credentials, the transaction will be completed and the customization will be done on your hero right away. After this, you will be able to start using this hero with its customization within your matches. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your heroes on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.